social media is dead. And if you're a small business owner still using it like it's 2018, that might be the reason that your content isn't working. Now, before you push back, no, the apps didn't disappear. Instagram is still here. Facebook is still here. TikTok is everywhere. But what those platforms are has completely changed because social media isn't social anymore. It used to be simple. You posted something, your followers saw it, your customers followed you, they stayed connected to you. That was the game. Today, that game is gone. Right now, your content is not being shown to your followers. It's being tested, judged, and distributed based on interest. Which means this: a complete stranger with 0 followers can post one video today and get more attention than your business has in the last 6 months. Not because they're bigger, not because they're better, but because they're playing the current version of the game. And most small business owners aren't. They're still posting updates, still talking to their audience, still thinking, if I just stay consistent, it'll work. But consistency in the wrong system doesn't build momentum, it builds frustration. So here's the shift that you need to understand. We didn't lose social media. We entered something new, something far more powerful and far more competitive. We're now in the age of interest media. And if you understand how it works, this might be the single biggest opportunity that your business has ever had. But if you don't, you're not just falling behind, you're becoming invisible. So here's what I want to do for you. In the next 15 minutes or so, I want to break this down into 3 simple ideas so that you can actually understand what's happening. And more importantly, what to do about it. First, we're going to look at what changed, because if you don't understand how social media actually works today, you'll keep using it the way that it used to work. And that's a losing game. Second, we're going to talk about what this means for your small business. Because this shift isn't just a problem, it's one of the biggest opportunities that we've ever had to get attention, to build trust, and grow. And third, I'm going to give you the new rules, the practical way to show up, create content, and build a presence in a world where attention is everything. And AI is changing the game even faster. So by the end of this, you're not just going to understand why things feel different. You're going to know exactly how to move. Let's start with what changed.